Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to a new coin hunt. This is a world coin hunt that's been designated World Coin Hunt 59. World Coin Hunt 59. First coin we have is from Rhodesia. It's a 1 cent coin from 1977. On this side you have the coat of arms, and on the reverse side you have the country, the value, the year, and a vine going round there. My vine going in the bottom right hand corner here. The mintage for this coin is 10 million. It's 10 million. Okay, coin number 2. It's a Diddy. It's a Diddy coin. A very Diddy coin. On this side is the country name, which is Denmark. It also has the value, which is 5 ore. The year is 1973. And on the reverse we have the crown monogram of Marguerite II. We also have the year, which is 1973, and the mintage is 75,138,000. Here we have a coin from Canada. It's a 1 cent coin from 1988, and the portrait is the Queen at 64, which is Queen, of course, is Queen Elizabeth II. On the reverse we have the 1 cent at the top. We have the maple leaf, the year, and the country. There are no mintage figures for this particular coin. Another Diddy one, and this is a 5 centimes from France from 1979. On this side you have the country name and Marianne. And on this side you have the value, the year, the olive stem, and the wheat ear. Excuse me. The mintage for this coin is 180,040,511. I'm just going to pause the video there so I can blow my nose. Wait a second. I'm sorry, I do apologise for that, but needs must, as they say. The next coin in this hunt is a second French coin, and this is a half-franc coin from 1984. It has the sower and the country name on this side. Then on the reverse side you have the value of half a franc, the year, and the olive stem. The mintage for this half-franc coin from 1984 is 80,001,436. Oh, damn hay fever. The next coin is a 10 cent coin from 1998 from Hong Kong. On this side you have the value and the year. On the other side is the country at the bottom, and then we have an orchid, and the orchid is a Banahina. That's Banhina. There is no mintage for this coin. Excuse me again. I do apologise. I'm not feeling brilliant with this hay fever. This next coin is a Swiss coin. It's a 2 franc coin from 1980. Excuse me. It has the coat of arms, the country, and Helvetica standing. who is this lady in here in the centre. On the reverse we have the 2 franc designation, the year, and a flowered garland, and also it has oak and alpine rose, apparently is what the garland is made from. The mintage for this 1980 coin is 10,001,000. The next coin is a Greek coin, the 20 drachma from 1988. It has the helmeted head of Pericles, and on the other side we have the denomination, the value of the year, and this is the Temple of Athena, Nike, Acropolis. The mintage for this 1988 coin is 16,196,000. Oh, I do hate hay fever season. The next coin is a 5 franc coin from France from 1972. It shows the sower and the country on this side, and on the reverse, get it the right way up, is the year, the value, and olive stem garland. The mintage for this 5 franc coin is 45,507,000. The next coin we have is a Greek coin. It's a 100 drachmas from 1990. On this side we have the head of Alexander the Great plus the country name, and on the rear we have the sun compass and the value plus the year. For this 1990 coin the mintage is 949,000, so it's quite a low minted coin for that year, and that ended the first of 3 rows. Start of row 2 is this coin here, and this is an Italian 100 lira from 1979. We have a portrait on here along with the name of the country. Then on the reverse we have the 100 lira, we have the year, and we have the goddess Minerva at the olive tree. This 1979 coin has a mintage of 351,583,600. Oh, sorry, 600. I do apologise for that. Next one. It's a Greek coin, and it is the bust of Democritus. On the reverse we have the 10 drachma valuation in 1984, so we have the year, the value, and the atom symbol. The mintage for this 1984 coin is 23,802,000. Next we have an Israeli coin. This is a 1 lira from 1970. The fruit that are represented by this stylized fruit is actually the pomegranate fruit. I thought it was a pomegranate fruit, but it isn't. It's the grenadine fruit, and you also have the country name on it. On the reverse here we have the value and the year. The mintage for this 1970 coin is 4,794,000. Oh, do excuse me. The next coin is a quarter and shows President George Washington. You also have the country and the year. I'm not sure that we have the mint mark on there or not. There isn't a mint mark, so I presume it's Philadelphia Mint. And then on the reverse we have the eagle, the country name and the value. This 1981 25-cent or quarter has a mintage of 601,716,000. Next coin shows Her late Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, and it's from the East Caribbean states. It's a 1981 coin and it's 25 cents in value. On this side we have the Queen, and then on the reverse, is that the East Caribbean states? It isn't, is it? That's the East Caribbean states. I do apologise. This Queen Elizabeth II coin isn't actually East Caribbean states, it's actually Australia. And it's a 10-cent coin from 1992. And it is the lyrebird, or a male version of the lyrebird. I do apologise. The mintage for this coin is 46,739,500. I was getting in front of myself there. I don't know what happened, and I do apologise. The next one, right, here we go. Again, has a portrait of Her late Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. This one is from the East Caribbean states. It's one of the next two coins are both from the East Caribbean states. This one is a 25 cent from 1981. We have the Queen on this side, and on the reverse we have the name of the country, we have the year, we have the value, and the ship that is shown is the Golden Hind. For this coin there is no mintage figures available. Next we have a scalloped coin, which are always nice to see. Again, this is from the East Caribbean states. It's from the year 2000 and it's a 5-cent coin. And this one is minted in aluminium. So we have a Queen on this side, and on this side we have the value, the year, the country, and either side of the value we have palm thongs. There are no mintage figures available for this coin. Next we have a Japanese 1 yen from 1965. It's an aluminium coin, and we have the value and the Japanese writing, and on the reverse we have the bamboo shoot. This 1 yen coin from 1965 has a mintage of 1,743,256,000. Yikes, that's a lot of big value. We have two coins left, which are on the next page in my book. The first one is from West Germany, and I make the distinction of West Germany because it was minted in 1950. It has a G mint mark, which is Karlsruhe is the name of the place. You have the mint mark, you have the country, the year and the oak stems on this side. On this side you have the value, the mint mark G at the top here, and you also have the wheat sheets going either side. Excuse me. The mintage for this coin is 309,045,000. And the last coin is from Belgium. You have Xerxes and the cornucopia on the right hand side behind his head, and the year. The year is 1971, and that was during the reign of Baudouin I. And we have, on the reverse, we have the value, the country name, and the crowned oak stem. The mintage for this 1971 coin is 10 million. Oh, do excuse me. Right, the hunt, I've finished the hunt. I've packaged the coins back up ready for me to flip them and put them into my collection at a later date. If you've enjoyed this video, would you please give me the thumbs up? Also, would you consider subscribing? I am, if you're not already subscribed that is, I am trying to grow my subscriber base. I had 100 at Christmas last year. I'm aiming for 250 for this for Christmas this year. It's quite a steep target, I know, but I want to try and achieve that if I possibly can. So if you've not yet subscribed, can you please think about doing so. For those of you having a hunt, could you, I hope you have a successful hunt and you get the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, I thank you for watching the video to the end, and I hope to meet up again with you shortly. And we do 5 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something you enjoy. And until we do meet up again, thank you for watching, and bye bye. Ta-da now.